Once you're satisfied with your quiz or your poll that you've created, and again, because you're in an online environment, as you've been creating questions, everything is being saved automatically. So there is no save button on here. You're going to see it's very kind of sparse on the screen, so it keeps it pretty simple. Once you have your questions and you're satisfied with them, you can hit this preview button and it will show you what it's going to look like once it's sent to your users. So this is going to have these choices here. This was a text answer, so this information over here will be entered in. And if I like the way it looks, I can click back. If I need to make any changes to anything, all I need to do is to click on that question and I'll immediately get my editing rights back. So down here, this is a text answer. This is right now by default a short answer, but if I wanted to give my students or you more options and make your answer longer, I could click on that as well. Now the one thing I didn't do was change all these things to required, which I'm going to do, so that I make sure everybody answers the questions. All right, so everything is saved. So now I'm ready to send this out to my students or to my colleagues. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up here to where it says send form, and there's a number of different ways you can send this out. I think the best way for us right now is to use the copy and paste the link. Here's a link that's here. This is the exact URL, and if you click copy, it will automatically copy it, and now you can open up your school email and you can paste it and you can send it to whoever you want. The reason I'm saying to use this and not email the link, if you click email the link, the only way that's going to work is if you are using the full-blown version of Outlook on your computer. If you check your email using the school website and clicking on that little email link, you're going to have a problem. If you want to get fancy schmancy, you can download and send a QR code. If your students have a QR reader on their tablet, they could open up the quiz that way. And if you get really fancy, you can embed in a web page. But this is probably going to be the easiest one because I literally can copy this. And this is what you're going to do with your quiz as the final week in the course. You're going to click on copy, and you're going to come over to our Moodle page. On our Moodle page, you will find under week 4, I'll post the link to your forms, assessment quiz poll here. And you'll click on that, and you'll either add a new discussion topic or reply to the previous one. And you'll click on that, put a quick subject, my form, oops. And then all you're going to need to do is right-click and paste or Control-V to paste the link to your form. And it looks kind of long, but that's just the way it generates it. And once you have posted that, when I see it, I will actually take your form, your quiz, don't make it too hard, and I'll take it so that you can see what the results look like once somebody has actually taken your quiz or assessment or poll or whatever it is that you have created. And that's what we're going to find over here under responses. So I'll show you how to get that. I'll show you what some responses look like on one of the other quizzes that I have used and sent out, so you can get an idea of the kind of feedback that you can possibly get.